Hello everybody, this is Jaime from the Red Bank Public Library. Happy holidays and welcome to Power Play. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own simple Nutcracker puppet. You open its mouth like this. Hello! And it's actually really simple to do. All you need is a wooden clothespin. You'll need glue, scissors, and crayons or markers. And cut out pictures from Google, like I did. I typed in Nutcracker coloring pages and I just sized them differently. I actually did make a bigger one like this, so if you want to, you can do like even bigger one like this. But I think this small one's just really cute. But okay, let's get started. First, you want to cut out your paper nutcracker. I suggest leave a border around the nutcracker because it'll be less likely to tear. Then you can color using markers, crayons, or colored pencils. Last time I used markers, but this time I'm going to switch it up and use colored pencils. While we're coloring, I want to tell you a little bit more about nutcrackers. Did you know that nutcrackers have been around since the 15th century? People usually gave them as gifts to each other. They were used to crack nuts such as walnuts and peanuts. Today, most nutcrackers that are sold are used for decoration and are not strong enough to crack nuts. According to German folklore, there was a reason nutcrackers are usually dressed like soldiers. That's because they're supposed to bring good fortune and protect the household from evil spirits. As you may already know, there is a famous story about a nutcracker written by E.T.A. Hoffman that is usually told around Christmas time. It's a story about a girl who is given a nutcracker for Christmas, and it comes to life, and they go on adventures together. There are many versions of this story, one of the most famous being Tchaikovsky's ballet. When you're done coloring, you have to make one more cut. Right between the top and bottom teeth. Cut right across. You should now have two separate pieces. Then you can glue the head to one part of the clothespin and the body to the other. Make sure that the head and the body line up. Also make sure that the head and body are placed where the clothespin opens. Then let it dry for at least 20 minutes. When you're done, you can pinch one side of the clothespin to make the mouth open and close. Now you have your very own Nutcracker puppet. Thank you so much for coming to Power Play, and I hope you enjoy your little Nutcracker puppets. And on Saturday, we're having another Power Play for all ages, and we'll be making little Ugly Sweater Ornaments, so if you'd be interested in that will be up right on Saturday. Yeah, and thank you again for coming. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays. Bye! Wednesdays are Kids Crafts Night at the Red Bank Public Library. Our videos will be posted on Facebook and YouTube at 6:30 p.m. We hope to see you there! We are also hosting an ugly sweater contest for people of all ages. Just send us a picture of yourself in your ugly sweater to redbanklibrary@gmail.com for a chance to win a prize.